Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy today. I will tell you about most valuable the 1958 D Lincoln Penny 1958 coin. Hey coin enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where today we're stepping into the world of numismatics with a coin that's more than just a cent, the 1958 D Lincoln Penny. This unassuming piece of American history might be in your pocket, but what if I told you it could be worth a lot of money in today's market? Stay tuned as we dive into the value and incredible worth of the 1958 D Lincoln Penny. Thanks for joining us. Today, it's all about the 1958 D Lincoln Penny, a coin that, despite its common appearance, has some surprising value hidden within its design and history. The 1958 D Lincoln Penny, highlighting its design and features. So what sets the 1958 D Lincoln Penny apart? It's not just another cent. This coin, minted in Denver, has variations and specific characteristics that make it sought after by collectors. And we're not talking chump change here, we're talking about potentially big bucks. The coin's market value and recent auction results. Believe it or not, certain 1958 D Lincoln pennies have been valued at a substantial amount in the market. The demand among collectors for these specific coins has driven their worth up, creating an exciting opportunity for those who may have one tucked away in their collection. Collectors examining and appreciating their valuable 1958 D Lincoln pennies. So how do you identify a 1958 D Lincoln penny with significant value? Stick around, because later in this video, I'll be sharing key tips on what to look for, helping you recognize these hidden treasures and potentially turning your pocket change into a valuable asset. That's a wrap on our exploration of the 1958 D Lincoln Penny, a small coin with big potential. If you enjoyed this video or were surprised by the value of this seemingly ordinary cent, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting numismatic content. Until next time, happy coin hunting, and may you discover your own hidden treasures.